Facebook says you can only have one personal account. It's against their community standards. I'll post a link to this so that way you all have it. Again, do what you like. The way I do it, to keep everybody out of my business, I use custom lists. And a custom list is like sorting laundry. Your whites, your darks, your delicates. And I do this for old people and new people. So here's what you do. When you accept a new request and you don't use a custom list, these people automatically can see your whole public history. So you hit the friends, come down here to custom lists, and then once you're here, you can choose a custom list to put people on. You make these lists. So for this group, I would create a list and I would call it Future and then I would confirm that bad boy. Now, anybody who I meet out of this group, I would put them in this list. Now, how do I do that? So, great question. When I get a friend request from a new person, I would say this person right here. Highlight their name, and instead of responding, I'm gonna send them a message. And my message is, yo, I love meeting new people. I'm sorry. I love connecting with new people. What made you want to connect with me here on Facebook? I send them a message. If they respond and answer the question, that would tell me what list to put them on. If they don't respond, I don't add them, because when people show you who they are, you believe them the first time. So that's what I do with that. Now, the other thing that you can do for people who are already on your page as friends, like every time you got birthdays right here, and click on their birthday, you see their name, and then you go to friends, and you can edit your friend list, and now put them on a list. Like this guy was added a long time ago, so I'm gonna put him on restricted because he don't need to see my public stuff. So boom, he's on restricted now, and now he will only see public information. And let's say he was a entrepreneur, I will put him on this entrepreneurs list. Now you ask me, well, Fitz, well, how do you access that list and send people? I made the list, now what? Okay, great. You go to your personal profile and you create a post. What's on your mind? And I put, this is a demo post. So instead of making it public, I'm going to make it for the entrepreneur list that I created. Go down to the ease, my custom list, boom, hit done. And now, instead of it being public, it's only going to entrepreneurs. This is how you keep your personal and business content separate. So now I hit post, and it's posting now. Now, how do you check that? You go here, hit these dots, view as the public. This content on your profile is public. That means anybody who can see my public profile, they can see this stuff. This is all they see. Now, what about what I just now made? Okay, so we exit view as, and now I'm on my own profile, and now I can see right here, this is a demo post. Who sees this post? Entrepreneurs only. That's how you keep your business and personal content separate on Facebook, by only using one account. Hope that helps.